I'm Larry Zimmerman, Continental Plaza here in Wauseon, Ohio.
How long have you been operating this car wash?
Well, that's a trick question because I bought it, it'll be 14 years ago, July 3rd, so it'll be 14 years in 3 days, 3.5 days. But I actually worked here as a kid for 6 years. So I started here in 1987, worked for 6 years, left, and then came back, bought it. And, yeah.
That's amazing. How long have you had the Petit in?
We put it in I think September 26th of 2024.
Are you happy with it so far?
Oh, yes, yes.
What is your background? You said you started working here as a kid. Is that your entire,
Nope. I left here and just went off and did some things. I got into machining and manufacturing for tool and die. So that kind of worked into, I made stuff for here after we bought it to make things easier. So I'd design stuff up and I'd send it off to somebody and they'd make it for me and then I'd install it. So.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah.
What made you choose Petit equipment for this specific location?
Bob Miller. Bob Miller. I went to a car wash show in early 24, and I had a manager that decided he was going to call off for Mother's Day, and I was already halfway to Nashville, and I said I need to figure out something to get rid of prepping, and they decided that take a look at the one that worked with a tunnel, because this used to be a friction tunnel for the entire time. And talking to Bob, he said, "How many cars are you doing?" And I said 33 to 35,000. It's a small town. And he said no brainer, and he told me what to do. And 8 months later, I had it installed.
What's your experience been like with the system? How long do your washes take? Or how many cars do you get?
It depends. So I'm going to say it averages about 3.5 minutes a car, and that's only because I'm going to say 75% of all the cars that go through are my top package, and that's a 6-pass wash. So the 4-pass washes are right around 2.5 minutes a car, and then the 6-pass is 3.5 minutes. So
the experience has been good. Customer liked the machines?
Well, I would say so. I mean, in 2012, when we bought the car wash, I was averaging 67 cars a day, and put it in September of 24, and from that date till today, we're averaging 119 cars a day. So it's yeah.
That is a great improvement.
Yes, yeah, it's jumped.
What do you like most about the equipment?
Ease. It's very easy. Low maintenance. I mean, other than little flukes that might happen here or there, it's very easy. Anybody can watch one and manage it. So yeah, it's pretty low maintenance.
Have you come up to our factory training?
I have not. I didn't do any training. I just jumped in with both feet, and it's been a good experience.
Well, that is great to hear. What stood out to you about the Petit system compared to other options?
Didn't look at anything.
I didn't look at anything.
Bob Miller, he worked on my car wash when I had friction. Love the guy. Him and his guys are phenomenal, and I didn't look at another thing. I mean, he said this is what you want, and when I went to the show, I looked over the machine, and again, I had 20 plus years in machining and manufacturing, and tool and die and CNC equipment, and I looked over the machine, and it's 100%. That's exactly what it is. So I mean, it just the look of it. It looked easy as far as maintaining it, and I didn't look at another thing.
That's great to hear. That's all you need.
Yep.
How have customers responded to the wash quality?
I would say that they're responding good. They like it. You do get the people that haven't washed in a month, and they think that I'm going to wash it and it's going to be 100%. It's going to be perfectly clean. And I try to give them the analogy of stick your dishes in your dishwasher and let it set for a month, and then fire it up and see if your dishes come clean. They're not going to come clean. And a car or a vehicle is a lot worse because it's driving down an oily road. So we're here for 13 hours a day. So we with the gas and the carry out, the drive through, we're here 13 hours a day. So we're able to talk to people and try to explain it to them. And for the most part, it's people understand it. You're still going to get that, few people that want to be upset, and it doesn't matter what you say to them. But you got to tell them this is a maintained type of car wash. It doesn't matter what you do; you got to maintain. If you don't wash once a week, once every week to 10 days, this thing it's not going to keep up.
So the transition from friction to frictionless, that worked out well.
Yeah, I think so. Like I said, I mean, my last full year of having a friction tunnel, I averaged 93 cars a day. And for the first 11 months of 24, I averaged 93 cars a day. And my first full year from November, so my fiscal year is November through October. So November 1 through October 31 of my first full year, we washed just about 41,400 cars. So it was phenomenal. And like I said, we're averaging, I think we're close to 77,000 cars in less than 2 years. So right now we're up about 17% over last year. So I'm assuming we're going to end up after 2 years somewhere in the neighborhood of 85,000 cars. So,
were you facing any challenges before installing the Petit?
Labor.
Labor.
Yeah, and then people, it didn't matter. If they hadn't washed their vehicle in a while, and then all of a sudden they wash it, you put that dent in my car, you put that scratch in my car, and you try to tell them, unfortunately, it's not a smart piece of equipment. It can't put a dent in your car, or it can't put a single scratch in your car. But so fighting people about that, because they just wanted you to fix their car that got door dinged at Walmart or wherever. So that and labor was the biggest issue. So
how has the reliability of the equipment been? Have you seen any changes in maintenance cost?
Oh yeah, there's relatively no maintenance. I mean, it's very low. Like I said, there's a fluke that has nothing to do with the quality of the equipment. But other than that, there's just no maintenance.
How was the installation process?
Can't complain. Bob's guys, they're great, and I talk to Bob weekly still, because I want to do something different or ask him questions, and he's always available. So I know he's a good installer for you guys, and I would suggest him to anybody.
What has your experience been with Petit's customer service and technical support?
You know what, if I've called Petit myself 5 times, that would be a lot. I haven't had to. I always call Bob. Now I can't remember what Scott's last name is, but he actually came out and gave me some ideas. We were having an issue that they worked through. It was something that Bob said, I've never, in all the years that I put this machine in, I've never had this happen, and it took a lot of going the extra mile, and Scott ended up coming in and looking at it, and between him and Bob and their guys, they got it all figured out. So I mean, I can't say that it's great because I haven't had to deal with it, you know what I mean? But if their customer service is anything like their machine, their equipment, then I'm sure it's 100% top notch.
So how would you describe the experience with Petit, the company?
Again, it's awesome. I did meet Tom at the last car wash show. My wife and I got invited to go to dinner with him, and he's a really nice guy. So I'm excited to be in business and working with those guys. So
would you recommend Petit Auto Wash equipment to other operators?
Oh yeah. I wouldn't recommend anything else. I mean, I have no reason to recommend anything else. I wish I would have done what I did in 24 in 2014, because it would have made my life a whole lot better, and I wouldn't have as much gray hair. So
I guess I have one last question. What advice would you give to someone currently evaluating car wash equipment?
If you're going to get into it and you want to ease, get a Petit. I mean, it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. That's about all I can say. It's an absolute no-brainer.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much for this video.
You're welcome. Thanks for coming out.
Thank you.
Yep.